Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on the GATE 2020 statistics. Today we will discuss about question number 38 related to the covariance matrix. We will try to solve these questions with a simple shortcut tricks within the 15 seconds so that you may apply in this trick to your own problems. You can simply follow my Telegram channel link. This is the scan code are there. Otherwise you can follow my YouTube channel Dr. Harish Garg for the various previous videos as well as the concept is there. Now what is that? So this is the questions related to the bivariate normal distribution and having the mean vector mu, and these are the four independent observations. Mu and sigma with the likelihood estimators of this population variance as well as mean. Then you have to find this value. That's a very simple task about that. What is given to you? So let me write this part is, this is my 3, 6. These are the initial vectors are given to you, 4, 4, 5, 7 and 4, 7. So firstly, I will tell you what is the formula of this mu cap. This is the mean. So what is the formula for the mean is sum of this divided by n. What is that? This is the variance. So it is a vector are there. So it can be written like of this way. That is xi minus of population mean, that is here, and xi minus of here over the vector. Now we will try to, and this definitely there are 4 vectors. So I varies from 1 to 4. So let's start with firstly find the value of mu cap. So what is that? This is a sum of this. So I can add the sum first part, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, that's a 16, 1 by 4, n is my 4, and here is 4 plus 6, 10, 7, 14, 24. So this is my 4, 6. So I can compute this value. Now I can compute the sigma cap. So it is 1 by 4 is outside. So now I can open it xi, that is this is my x1. If I sub x1 minus of this, so it will be my minus 1 0 of minus 1 0 plus for the second pair, if I subtract from 4, 6, so it will be my 0, it will be my minus of 2 and 0 minus 2 plus you can take for the third pair, it's my 1, it's 1, then 1 1 plus for the last pair it's my 0, it's a 1 and then 0 1. Now that's over. So since it's a matrix, it's my 2 cross 1, it's 1 cross 2, so it will be my 2 cross 2. So that's the first one, that's a 1 0 0 0. It's 0 0 0 4. It's my 1 1 1 1, and this is my 0 0 0 1. So that's answer. Now if you multiply, add them, so it will be 2 by 4, that's my 2 by 4 is my 1 by 2, 0 4, second pair is 0 0 1, so it's my 1 by 4, next one is 0 0 1, so it's again 1 by 4, 4 5 6, 6 by 4, or I can take 1 by 4 as a common, so it will be 2 1 1 6. Now I can substitute this is my mu, I can substitute here, 1 by 4 is outside, so 2 1 6 1 and of 4, 6. So what is that? This is 8 plus 6, 14, 14 by 4, and this is 4, 12, 12 4, 16 by 4. So what is the right answer of this? You can easily see this number is my 3.5 and this number is my 4 is the right answer. So 3, where is, sorry, this is a 4, this is a 36 plus 4 is 40, 40 by 4 is my 10. So 3.5 and 10, that is my A is the right answer while others are cancelled. So this is the way you should remember the likelihood estimator formula of this. How many vectors you have given, you can simply open this and get the simple right calculations is there. I hope you can solve this kind of the problems in your coming examinations. Till then we will solve some other question with the help of again shortcut tricks. You can simply follow my playlist Garg statistics for these previous examination videos. You can like, share and comment these videos. You can share with your friends. Till then, best of luck students. Happy learning.